the breakfast section. And that's right. Mother.
Here's the chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. We are here, Hampton. So they have some supermarkets, some flower shop, and salon. And it's just a walking distance from the hotel. Going to the room. We're done for breakfast. Oh no. Just stop it. Stop. And rest. Yep. Wait, I want to actually try the digital key if it's working. No. Wait, I want to try this digital key if it's working. Now we have internet, digital key. No. No, not working. It's not working. Anyway, let's go for a normal. Woo! Now we're back to the room and let's open these blinds and appreciate what we have outside. So I like this one here, this design that they have, and I like the TV because it's smart TV, so I can just connect my Samsung mobile like this. So I requested it late checkout actually. So we'll stay here until 2 p.m. So outfit of the day, still from Bershka. And I remember this one is from Forever 21. So we're in 510. I've been meaning to do a room tour, so now swipe. So here's the door. So this is the room. Ito yung room niya. And there's one cabinet here with mini bar. Empty, so we don't actually need it. And restroom will be here. Let's open. So yun, restroom nila. That and that. Shower. Then ito yung ano nila. Sink. So cute. Budget hotel. This is a budget hotel here in Al Barsha. So we're done. So actually, let me just show you some amenities that they have. So meron na silang body wash, conditioner, and shampoo there. And also body lotion then here. And tissue, towel, and all. That's it. That's all for this section. So, ito na yung door. Kanina, yun na nga. Then, cabinet or lagayan ng damit. Then, hair dryer. I knew it. Then, another drawer here. Iron, flat iron board. Yan, hammers. And of course, they have a full-length mirror here. So this is my outfit of the day. So we have my slippers from Forever 21, skirt from Forever 21, and this is from Bershka. And that's it. And dito naman tayo sa queen size bed. And my mother is taking selfie na. So ayan, meron din silang table na maliit. And then chair. Ito yung queen size bed nila. And then yeah, it's like a normal room. Meron din silang mirror, working table. Meron din sila dito yung table. Maliit. So, some amenities, coffee, tea, water, cups, and the TV. So, let's switch on TV. Baka nakita natin ang ating name. Normally for Hilton, lalagay nila yung name nyo sa screen, but unfortunately I don't know why it's not opening. So yeah, smart
And then
TV.
in third is Soldier. He's got clear sailing around that tricky first bend. The
Tomorrow we will
Pieces
have
Thomas is
our
outside
breakfast.
racing in fourth, but now about to be
Then
overtaken around the outside by Brilliant Light as now they make the run down the hill. Drop right out the back of the field is Sleeping Light.
Yeah. Home. Application. Internet. Nope. It's not working. Why it's not working? I'll just connect my mobile. Let me try it again. Apps, internet. Okay. Success. And we'll put YouTube. So, dito naman, we have, of course, the streaming, do not disturb, and please make my room. Then they have this, hello, we'd love to share some information with you, Hampton by Hilton. So, we do have breakfast tomorrow. on the house, hot breakfast from 6:30 to 10:30, typical quiet times, blah blah blah. Busy time. Okay. That's some information for this hotel. And TV channel, we all have it here. Then I guess that's it. And this is the king size bed again. Control ng AC. And there, there's a plug switch. And dito naman tayo sa view. This is the view of this room. So, buildings. I actually booked this last minute. Yeah. Feeling hungry. Scan. Yeah. So now you can order it from here. Some safe bags. We have safe bags here. Drawer again. Another drawer. May space yung ano nila dito. Okay. Pillows, and Mother Earth. So that's it. So this is the Hampton by Al Barsha. So yeah, we're gonna stay here for one night, and tomorrow I have work to do. So I actually booked this last minute kasi nga ang tawag dito, cleaning kami malapit dito sa Al Barsha sa may JLP. So sabi ko, why not, let's book budget room. So, it cost me only 109 dirham. So parang nagbayad lang kami for the breakfast. And then yeah, here with mom, of course. So I guess that is it for today's video. Hope you like this and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see in this channel. Bye bye.